In this video, I will show you how you can create a Zap in Zapier. So to do this, go and open up Zapier and sign into your account. And now there are two ways to do this. The first one is to head into the Discover section right here, where you will find popular templates. So this is the easiest way, since then it will already be set up for you. So here you have some use cases. So if what you are creating your Zap for is one of these use cases, for example for lead management, then here you can see a bunch of popular templates, and if you click browse more, then you can also go and search for a name. For example, if I search for MailChimp and then here click MailChimp and then scroll down a bit, you will then see a bunch of pre-made zaps for MailChimp. So if you click load more, you will see even more. But for example, create MailChimp subscribers from new Typeform responses, add new Stripe customers to MailChimp lists, and all of this right here. So for example, if you want to add subscribers to MailChimp for new Google Sheet rows, if you want to do that, you can click try it right here, and then you can simply use this zap. You can customize it a little bit, but basically all you need to do is connect your accounts right here, and then you will have set it up. Now on the other hand, if you want to create your own custom zap, then what you can do is on Zapier, click on create right here, then select zaps. Now you can use the AI to help you right here, but here you have a trigger and an action. So for the trigger, first just choose which app you want to do for the trigger. So for example, I will go with HubSpot, but you can also search for something. Then the action that happens. Now here for HubSpot, you can see the events. So for example, email subscriptions timeline, or a new company, new contact, and you can see all of them right here. For example, I will say new engagement. And then here you will see 2 minutes, so that means that it updates every 2 minutes. But then you can say an action that happens when there is a new engagement. Let's say that when there is a new engagement, I want to use Bravo to send an email. So then in Bravo I can do an action. So you can also set up a custom action, but I'll just do send transactional email. Then here simply going to sign into your Bravo account, and here sign into your HubSpot account. Then in the configure section, just choose which email you want to send and which engagements on which platforms basically. So just enter the details and then send a test. Now you can also have more stuff happen. So if I click plus right here, then I could, for example, also choose to have something happen in Slack. So when there's an engagement, I want to send an email and I want to, let's say, send a message. Now you can see that's not in here. So then what you can do is here click custom actions, then click create action. And then here you can go and create a custom action that you want to happen in Slack in this case. And then you can also add that as your event. So after doing all of this, go and click publish in the top right in order to make it live, and then it will start working. And in the home screen right here, you can then see my zaps in the left here. You can then see the zap history in the left tab here, and you will then see the zaps being done. So now you know how to create a zap in Zapier. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.